True story how the dock lifeguard system detected hazardous electricity coming from a neighbor's dock. Whenever the neighbor turned on his lift control box motor, the faulty motor emitted electricity onto the frame of the dock and then into the water. The dock lifeguard installed on the dock across the cove would alarm warning of hazardous electricity in the water. The faulty motor on the control box was replaced, and now no stray electricity is being put into the water. Your dock may be safe, but what about your neighbors? Be safe at the lake with a dock lifeguard.